Bonjour à tous, and welcome to the French Words. French verbs are gathered into three different groups. The first group is for verb ending with er, but you already know this one. The second group is for verbs ending with ir, and the third group is for irregular verbs. Être, to be, in English, is the first to come from the third one, the irregular verbs. Unluckily for you, it's one of the weirdest.
Go ahead, I'm ready for anything today.
As usual, you have to substitute the verb depending the subject. I am becomes je suis. You are becomes tu es. He is becomes il est. We are becomes nous sommes. You all are becomes vous êtes. And they are becomes ils sont.
Are you kidding me?
I understand what you're thinking right now. Here we are with another 6 words to learn. You're right, but we can apply the same logic as with the er verb. Think about it. If you use the pronoun on instead of nous, no need to say nous sommes, we are, but simply on est. In the same way, no need to use vous êtes if you can say tu es. Of course, it's less polite, but it's less word to learn for now.
Are you saying we can only use this verb with 4 pronouns?
Yes! No need to remember everything when you start French. With the verb to be, English use 3 sounds. I am, you are, and he is. If you pay attention, French language has the same amount of sound for this verb. Je suis, I am. Tu es, il est, elle est, or on est. You are, he is, she is, or we are. And ils sont or elles sont, they are.
Wait a minute, why does il and elle mean they?
Il, spelled ILS, means they as long as you have at least one masculine person or object in the group. If you are only talking about feminine person or a group only made by feminine objects, like les maisons, houses, house is feminine, or les filles, girls, you have to use the pronoun elle. If even one masculine object or person is added to the group, French use il. Grammatically speaking, we say that masculine is stronger than feminine.
What did you say?
You may find the verb être too complicated and that there is no need to learn it. But you have to recognize it easily or you will have huge problem later.
Problems? What kind of problems?
This verb is often used for some kind of past, but this will be for another day. If you want to go further, look at these sentences after pausing the video and write your answer in the comments below. You can also order my book, Read French from Day 1. Now you understand the verb to be? Don't forget, be confident and speak out!